Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I am gonna show you how to uninstall any apps from Windows 11. Before we start, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit the like button on this video. So let's get started. First of all, go to the search bar and type Add or Remove Programs, then open this system setting. Now from here, choose an application that you want to uninstall. Suppose I want to uninstall this Bandicam software. First of all, click on the three dots option. Then click on Uninstall. Again, click on Uninstall. Click on Yes. Now click on Uninstall. As you can see, finally this application is uninstalled. Just close it. So friends, that's the way how you can easily uninstall any apps from Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit the like button on this video. Thanks for watching this video.